I finally got the back axle on, and now it's time to finally get the engine mounted so that we could actually ride it. We just made it to Tractor Supply, and we had to get a chain for our sprocket, the 72 tooth sprocket. We actually had to go get a chain for it, so let's go and get it. 35 roller chain.
10 foot?
10 foot, yeah.
Good night.
$25.
That's it, then.
Yeah.
Need anything else? I guess that comes with a,
This won't work. Fits that too.
Yep.
We are now leaving Tractor Supply. We got the chain. It's a 35 and should fit perfectly with the 72 tooth sprocket. We just made it back, and now we're actually going to have to put the sprocket onto the axle, and same with the brake disc. So this thing, the hardest part now is to mount the engine and also to connect the hydraulic brake. Okay, so we got this sprocket on. We took it and we're going to measure it and line it up with the engine. We got this in place. This still has to be tightened down. And we got a weld under here, but we rigged it up to where we could actually have the engine held in place so that we could take measurements and know where to weld the plates on. But I believe it's going to work pretty good. It fits perfectly. Look at that, that's the mock-up. So I welded up this plate. It was custom made. We added the triangles, the plates, and then we're going to put the engine on top of the plate and weld that to the frame. I went ahead and aligned the engine to the sprocket and with the holes so I could take the bolts and the nuts and bolt down the engine. So we took apart the torque converter. Need to get that out there. But we took this part off and took that part off, the belt off. But now we switched out this sprocket here to a smaller one to match up the bigger sprocket. So now we're opening up the chain and we're going to link them together. It's 10 foot. crazy. Smooth as butter.
Where's out there? Cause it's just sitting there.
Yeah. So the key weight is going to be moving back and forth. So we got tack welding. Okay, so we finally got the engine mounted. We finally got the torque converter put back together. We got the sprocket in. Brake is still loose, but we gotta put the hydraulics on. We got the tires back on, and this thing is ready to rip now. We just gotta put the throttle cable onto the throttle pedal, and we also gotta tighten up the torque converter. I believe that this is gonna be a whole lot better than my other go-kart. Here is my original mini cross kart build, and we're going to cut off the brake, and we're going to reuse the kill switch on it. Got in there. Lamped already, because you couldn't get no wire in it. Did not say that.
See? And that one is for lights and stuff. Kill it, or did I kill it?
I don't know. Try it again.
Oh, I turned the gas off.
Yeah, you don't need to turn the gas off. I think he did the wrong wire. You did the wrong wire. I told you it's that one. Not the black one. What is the black one?
I don't know.
That might be the light.
This goes to switch.
There it goes. It works now. Time to test drive it. They have no brakes, so we gotta remember that. So we need to be careful. Don't try this out. So I'm gonna be using my test dummy. I'm just kidding. I'll just be letting him test ride it without brakes so I can film it, get the good footage. Okay.
I ain't got no brakes there.
Oh yeah, hey, gas is on. Choke, it should be warmed up enough. Nope. Huh.
Oh, here, let me turn it on.
Yeah, maybe that'd help. Oh boy. You're scared, ain't you? No brakes. Oh my goodness! That's fast! no, stop. The chain fell off. Heh. Chain fell off. Realign it. There. Yeah, that thing looked fast. Now we're gonna try it again in the middle of the dark. See if it works. I gotta be on the other side. You gotta turn the kill switch on. Oh, wait, it is. Choke it. Alright. Watch out for the car. Okay, got it. That is fast! That is fast! Okay. Here you go. That is fast! That is fast, y'all. That is fast, guys. That is fast. Huh? Yeah, you're kind of scared, ain't you? He could drift in that thing. You like that better than the other one?
Yeah, I wish it had brakes.
Yeah. Careful. There, you got it. I think that's going to do it for this video. In the next episode, we're going to install the brakes and make sure all the kinks are out, and we're going to ride it so much more than we did in this episode, and actually in actual daylight. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next video. Please subscribe if you enjoyed and like the video. Goodbye.